Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. This lecture actually is the part 2 for the virtual LAN configuration, because in the part 1 the hybrid link type it doesn't work. We tried to check many times, but the configuration was correct, but the simulator doesn't work. So now I'm going to create from scratch a new topology. And here I'm going to use these two switches of S3700. And also I'm going to use 4 computers like this. And here I will connect Ethernet 1 to PC1, Ethernet 2 to PC2, Ethernet, this one. And here Ethernet 3 to Ethernet 3. And from here, Ethernet 1 to Ethernet 1, Ethernet 2 to PC4. Okay. So let me start up things first together. As I mentioned, the simulator sometimes doesn't work, especially when you configure some scenarios. Then after that, you try to clear everything by restarting or something like that. It's sometimes stuck. It doesn't work. So from scratch, we are going to use fresh topology like this. And also, I'm going to write annotations here instead of, because I want to make it quickly. So this one is VLAN 2, VLAN 3, VLAN 3, VLAN 2. And this one is 10.0.0.1, 10.0.0.2, and this one 0.3, this one 0.4, and subnet mask is 255.0.0.0. Okay, so I think this is more than clear. Okay, for now we have the 2 switches ready. Let us stop the undo the terminal logging system, and here also logging system. Okay, so here let us start configuration 10.0.0.1.255. Done. Close. 10.0.0.2.5. Close. And 10.0.0.3.255. Apply, close. And this one 10.0.0.4.255. Apply and close. So now let us check the connectivity between BC1 and BC4. So here, BC1 is 10.0.0.1. We want to ping 10.0.0.2. Still unreachable because it still needs time. Okay, what's about 0.0.3? I don't know what's wrong with it. So this one is 10.0.0.1. Am I right? And this one is 10.0.0.2. So it's supposed to work, especially these two, because these two are belongs or connected directly to one switch. Yes, now it works. It needs time, as I mentioned. So PC2 is unreachable yet. Now starts responding. BC3 is working. And BC4 is working. So now connectivity is okay between the all BCs. What we want to do now, we want to go to switch number 1. We want to go to switch number 1. We want to go to interface Ethernet 001. So we assign this, before this, we have to create VLAN patch 2, 3. 2, 2, 3, like this. So we want to create VLAN 2 and VLAN 3. Both of them are created. So here we need to go to interface number 1, this one that's connected to BC1. And first thing we have to change the port link type to hybrid. This is the first thing. The second thing we have to assign the port hybrid BVID to virtual LAN 2. Then after that we have to tell the hybrid port to be untagged for virtual LAN 2. Okay, done. Let us go to interface number 2, which is connected to BC number 2, and here we need to change the port link type to hybrid also, and port hybrid BVID we need to assign it to virtual LAN 3. Sorry, this one VLAN 3, like this. Then after that we have to untag VLAN 3 on this port. Okay, now we go to interface number 3, like this, and we change the port link type to hybrid as well. And after that, we tell the port hybrid. Actually, this port belongs to BVID 1, which is the default. Oh, sorry, I forgot VLAN 1. Then after that, we have to tag to VLAN 2 space 3, because 2 and 3 we want to allow them pass through the trunk. Okay, now this switch is done. Let us go to switch number 2. Switch number 2, we go to interface Ethernet 001, and we before this we have to create VLAN patch 2 to 3. After this, interface 1, which is connected to BC3. So this is supposed to be assigned to virtual LAN 3. So before this, we change the port link type to hybrid. Then after that, port hybrid supposed to be assigned to BVID VLAN 3. And after this, we have to untag VLAN 3. Okay, let us go to interface 2. And here we change the port link type to hybrid and port hybrid PVID supposed to be virtual LAN 3. Oh, sorry, this one virtual LAN 2. Sorry, I forgot this VLAN 2. And after this, I have to untag VLAN 2. Then we go to interface number 3. And also we change port link type to hybrid. Then after that, port hybrid PVID virtual LAN 1. LAN 1. Then here we have to untag VLAN 2 space 3. Here we are. Let us go now to switch number 1. Let us display VLAN. So here we see the at switch number 1, virtual LAN 1 includes the Ethernet 001 untag. Okay, yeah, correct, untag. This here, virtual LAN 2 includes the 001, this one, as untag, and includes 003 as tagged. And virtual LAN 3 includes the 002, this one, as untagged, and also the trunk as tagged. Okay, so until now, configuration is correct. So here, display VLAN also, and we see here, so the virtual LAN 2 includes Ethernet 2, this one belongs to virtual LAN 2 as untagged, and 003, the trunk, as tagged. Oh, we did a mistake. We did a mistake. Here, we make it untagged, this one, 2 and 3. So we have to go here. We repeat the command, this one, as okay. So with display VLAN. Okay, here the virtual LAN 2 includes interface 2 as untagged and interface 3 as tagged. And also virtual LAN 3 includes interface number 1 as untagged and interface number 3 as tagged. So now everything's supposed to work fine. Okay, let us go here now on BC number 1 and try to bring BC number 4. BC number 4 belongs to virtual LAN 2. Yeah, it works. It works fine. Okay, again, it works. But if we want to bring BC number 2, which belongs to different virtual LAN, as you can see here, it doesn't work. And also, if we bring BC3, which belongs also to different virtual LAN, is not going to be working as well. And after this, if we bring from BC2 to BC3 and 1003, so from BC2 to BC3, it's supposed to work. Yeah, fine. What if we bring different virtual network devices? It doesn't respond. So everything works fine. Also PC4 should be not responding. Okay, enrichment. So here we are, everything works fine. So I'm sure during the previous session, everything was fine, but I don't know what happened. The simulation was not working properly. That's why every time you need to run different scenario, you save the first scenario, then after that create a new topology and freshly start up everything together at one time in order to avoid any unexpected results. So thank you for following this. And inshallah, I hope everything understands what I have explained. Please take enough time for this to do practice and try to learn more about the virtual LAN, try to create different scenarios and so on. If there is anything unclear or maybe any questions I did not answer, please WhatsApp me and I'm ready to answer your questions as fast as I can, inshallah. Okay, thank you and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.